Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is a bit of a different video for our channel. In this case, I'm going to be unboxing some art. Bear with me, this does have a connection to what we usually cover on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, but it's in a slightly different form. So this parcel arrived from GRID Studio. So, interestingly, there's a little bit of what looks like glue. Interesting. What else is there? There is wall hooks for attaching whatever's in here to a wall. And let's see what else is in the box. Now, I'm going to put away the cardboard box. We'll take away these inserts, and this will be duly recycled. Right then, this is a product I purchased from the GRID Frame Studio. And it is beautifully presented. There's GRID branded wrapping paper, a seal with design, what does it say here? It says, "Classic deserves to be framed." Some little sort of plant and a ribbon. So what I'm going to do is see if there's a way to get the ribbon off without damaging the seal. This is beautiful. There we go. And let's see if we can get the paper off this. I might, it is glued. Might need to get into the corner here and see what's inside. But I'm confident this is going to be pretty awesome. Here we go. So as you can see, I have purchased some art. Now this is a follow-up, essentially the result of me watching some of Jaime Rivera and Michael Fisher's videos on social media, where I saw this and thought, I need this. This is something that really will improve my life. This is the Nokia E71 deconstructed. This was a smartphone I did purchase in 2008, and in a way it fed my curiosity and excitement about technology and really got me into the whole Nokia ecosystem of the Symbian operating system even further than I already was. Now, as you can see, it's got Nokia branding here. Connecting people was their company motto. And you can see that there's the beautiful metal back and the metal buttons that were at the side of the device. There is a little printout of what the Symbian operating system looked like on the device. There's the little trackpad, button trackpad in the middle here, and the quick set buttons for your calendar, your contacts, email, and home. This was at the time when BlackBerry was doing very well in the smartphone category, and this was Nokia's follow-up to a previous device, which I did have. But this one was really fit for the iPhone era at the time. It had a camera on the back, one on the front for video calling. It was a pretty great all-round smartphone. And I was still much more comfortable, even though I had an iPhone, using the keyboard on a Nokia E71 for messaging. It was a fantastic device. And so when I saw this on the GRID Studio options, this definitely made sense to me. This is a significant part of my geekery when it comes to mobile technology, and having this on my wall in what is the room I use to edit a lot of the YouTube videos that we do on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, I think it will be a good addition. And you can see that this deconstructed Nokia E71 looks fabulous. Right, what I'm going to do is hang this on the wall, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. If you like this video and you'd like to know more, I'll add some links in the description to where you can purchase this and other devices, including iPhones, Samsung devices, iPods, essentially old technology that has been recycled and turned into art for those of us who think this is significant, and I definitely do. So this will be hung up in my room. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'm going to hang this up, I'm getting giddy.